Ginkgo Bioworks yesterday received a DARPA contract worth up to $6 million to come up with some incredible de-icing technology. The contract falls under the agency's Ice Control for Cold Environments program, also known as ICE. The ICE program wants to control the physical properties of ice crystals to protect military assets and personnel in extreme cold environments. The idea is a form of bioengineering to create novel technology that mimics biological adaptations to cold environments. While humans can't really hang in the cold, animals, plants, and microbes have adapted to live and thrive in cold environments. So let's steal it! According to a 2020 Military Health System report, frostbite was the most common type of cold injury among active service members, and a significant risk to missions due to insufficient medical countermeasures. Ice buildup on Department of Defense maritime equipment can also limit seaworthiness, increase risk on ship surfaces, and degrade electronics and machine performance. So, Ginkgo, working with AI life science data company Netrius and network company Cambium, will use the $6 million to develop novel, biologically sourced, and inspired materials that leverage biological adaptations to cold environments. The team wants to sustainably produce novel de-icing proteins not just for the military, but for broad commercial applications. For example, a lens coating that prevents frost from forming on satellites and high-altitude imaging instruments or security and wildlife cameras. The aerospace and automotive industries could also benefit. Finally, think of a reversed sunscreen, like a topical frostbite prevention product for outdoor enthusiasts. Likely a great tool for those climbing Mount Everest, but also those on a sledding hill with their kids when it's below 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, Ginkgo will design a library of proteins with naturally occurring ice-modulating behavior. During this discovery phase, predictive models will iterate design, build, test, optimize cycles, looking for proteins with ice inhibition, induction, and low adhesion properties. While we're working on this so poorly prepared dads don't freeze on Midwest mountains, DARPA is interested because Arctic warming is opening up an entirely new potential battlefield, where the US military must counter adversaries despite long deployments in extremely cold temperatures. I'm David Manti. This is Manufacturing Now.